start turning brown. Red and yellow, soon they'll be falling down. Now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. The light that flickers will blow out with the side, and all that blossomed will wither away and die. Not now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon.
Welcome back to another fall cozy vlog. Like you guys know, I love these vlogs. I love filming them and they just make me really happy, so we're doing another one. It is the middle of September right now. I am so happy, and Trader Joe's officially came out with most of their fall items. At least they're finally in stock in my town. I've been calling so much, going to the store, seeing if the pumpkin bagels are in stock, and they finally are, which is so amazing. And I actually already tried them and they are so good. So we are gonna go back to Trader Joe's and get a lot more stuff because I am very excited to see what else I can try. I think that the stuff they came out with that wasn't in the store in my previous vlog actually doesn't have nuts. And if you don't know what I'm referring to, I made a video, and in one of those vlogs I was talking about how I was really excited to try a lot of the fall items at Trader Joe's, but a lot of them contain nuts and I was really upset. But I was looking at their new stuff that they got in my town online, and some of the items don't have nuts, so we are definitely going to go back to Trader Joe's and see what we can find that I actually can try because I'm very excited. So I'm going to change into a little fall inspired outfit and then we're going to go to Trader Joe's. Here's today's fall fit. It is still somewhat warm in New Jersey. The mornings are really cold and so are the nights, but the middle of the day it's like 75 degrees, so I am wearing shorts. I do think it's perfect sweatshirt short weather though, or oversized sweater skirt weather, so I'm very excited. I'm wearing this Halloween Town University sweatshirt. I honestly have no idea where it's from, and then I'm wearing these little shorts from Maxx, and right now I am wearing these cute little pumpkin slippers that I'm obsessed with, but I'm going to switch into my Uggs when I go to leave. But this is the little fit and I think it's really cute, and now let's go to Trader Joe's. I just got back from Trader Joe's and I definitely got a few things that I'm so excited about, so we're just going to do a quick little haul. So I have tried this before, but I wanted to get another one because it was so good. I got another pumpkin bread and muffin mix. This stuff is amazing. I would highly recommend. The next thing I got is another baking item. This is the pumpkin and spice snickerdoodle cookie mix. I think this is going to be so good. I wasn't going to get this, but then I saw the word snickerdoodle and I automatically needed to get it because I love snickerdoodles. The next thing I got is another baking item. As you guys know, I love baking, especially when it comes to the fall and the winter, and I saw these cinnamon roll blondie bars. I made these last year and they are so good, and I haven't been seeing them online, and I'm very happy that my Trader Joe's had them because I love these. The next thing I got are some more pumpkin bagels because these are so good and I am obsessed with them. I'm actually going to freeze them because I don't want them to go out of stock, and they've been selling off the shelves like crazy, so I just wanted to have them, and I'm going to freeze them for a little bit later in the month when I want want them. The next thing I got is this pumpkin butter. I honestly don't know if I'm going to like this. They have a cinnamon butter that I got last year that I did like, but it wasn't my favorite, so I wanted to try the pumpkin butter and hopefully it's good. They did have a lot of fall coffees, and I did try the fall latte one this morning and it was pretty good, but I wanted to try something else, so I got the Harvest Blend herbal tea. This is caffeine free and it has cinnamon, ginger, hibiscus, natural apple flavors, chamomile tea, and orange peel, and this looked really good, so I want to definitely try this, especially because during the fall and the winter I love drinking tea more than usual. And then the last thing I got are these graham cracker squares. They had these cinnamon ones, but they were contained in a facility that had nuts, and for some reason these ones don't say it, so I really wanted graham crackers, so I did end up getting these. That is everything I got from Trader Joe's. I'm very excited to try all this stuff out. The next thing I actually want to do is some fall baking, and I actually want to make these cinnamon roll blondie bars because I love them so much and I've been craving something cinnamony. So I'm gonna make these. These are really simple to make and they also taste very good, and in my opinion it's like the perfect consistency and the perfect fall September snack, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead and make these, and I'm very excited to try them again. So let's go to the kitchen, light a little fall candle, watch some Gilmore Girls, and make some cinnamon blondie bars.
I've been running round in circles, chasing my tail and lost my way, seeking shelter in different corners, never finding a place to stay. Somehow ended up here on the ground. Brother, help me up, I've fallen down. I know that I'll hurt the ones that
Oh my god, this smells so good.
the ones I love. Thought that I would find the answers drinking till.
They just came out of the oven and they look so good and smell amazing. I am just going to let them cool off a little bit more. They've been cooling for a little bit, so the pan's not hot anymore. And then we're going to take it out of the pan and put some icing on it, and I'm so excited to try them. I just put the icing on and we're gonna give this a little try. I am so excited. Whoa, that is so good. That tastes like the perfect fall crisp day treat. I'm not even joking. It tastes amazing. I would highly recommend. I would rate that like a 10 out of 10. The only thing I will say is that it does take a little while to bake the blondies. I had them in the oven for like an hour and I do think it's the perfect consistency. It's a few days later now and I'm very excited to show you guys what my boyfriend got me. He got me a little boo basket and it's just so cute and adorable and I'm obsessed with it. So we came home with this the other day and I just think this is adorable. I definitely want to make a boo basket for him and some of my friends as well. If you don't know what a boo basket is, it's basically just a basket with Halloween and fall themed stuff in it, and I think it's such a cute idea. So the first thing he got me is this little candy corn, and I love it because it has a bow on it. If you know me, you know I love everything with bows, and it lights up, which I just think is adorable. The next thing he got me is this little bat cookie. This is from the brand Favorite Day, and it looks like this. It is so cute. I love these cookies. One of my favorite types of cookies is a sugar cookie with royal icing, and that's exactly what that is. The next thing he got me is this cutie little pumpkin, which I think is adorable. Then he got me some of my favorite candy, which are the Sour Patch Watermelon Not Too Sour, and he got the big bag, which I'm so excited about. The next thing he got is a little candle. As you guys know, I love candles. I actually have this one in white, but I am almost done with it, so it was like perfect, and he didn't even know I had it. And this is in the scent Warm Cider and Cinnamon. I think the other one I have is vanilla, and it smells so good. This reminds me exactly of like a fall day in October. It smells amazing. And then the last little thing he got is pumpkin bread. As you guys know, I love baking, and this is a little pumpkin loaf from Target, and I've been wanting to try this one, so very excited to make that. That is everything that was in the basket. I am so appreciative of it. I think it was such a cute little basket, and I really appreciate it, so thank you to him. Like I said, it's the next day, and I'm actually going to make a little spooky recipe breakfast. So a few days ago, I got this this mini ghost waffle maker from Target, and I want to make little waffles, so we are going to make a cute little breakfast, very fall spooky inspired. I just made my little ghost waffles. I think they came out so cute. And on top, I'm just going to put some whipped cream and some pumpkin spice topping, and I think they're gonna taste really good. Finished trying some of my ghost waffles. They were really good. I did just use waffle mix, but I added some pumpkin spice into the mix, and it really did make them taste a lot like fall. Right now I'm actually editing a YouTube video that I have to send to Princess Polly for approval. If you haven't watched that video, it's already up. I made a video about recreating fall Pinterest outfits. It was so fun to make, and kind of just like redoing my fall closet, which I was very excited about, so I'll have that linked down below. So right now I'm just editing that to send in for brand approval, and then once I finish that, we're gonna do something really cool with pumpkins. So I'm gonna finish this really quick, and then we're going to paint some pumpkins. It's a few days later now, and I'm very excited because I actually just picked up my cutie little pumpkin that I'm going to paint in a little bit. I think it's going to be so fun, but I'll talk about that when I get back home. I'm actually at Target right now because I wanted to make a boo basket for my mom, and I also wanted to make one for my boyfriend and a few of my friends. So I came here to go look at the Halloween section and make a few baskets and bring you guys along. I also wanted to look at Target's new fall stuff because apparently they got like a round 2 of all their fall clothing and fall decorations and stuff like that, so I want to go see what they have. Also, I worked in the office today for my financial analyst job, and we like to have Starbucks runs, and I saw this cup and I thought it was so cool for Halloween. It looks like this. I'm not sure if you guys can see it well, but I'll have a picture on the screen as well. I think this cup is so cool and screams Halloween, and I got it to put water in, especially when I'm in the office. I like drinking a lot of water, and having a cup that I can refill is really useful, so I got this because I think I'll use it a lot. But I'm gonna go into Target. I'm wearing this really pretty sweater that I got from TJ Maxx. I also have a TJ Maxx haul. I went yesterday and got some cute things. I'm wearing a pair of jeans and some Uggs. It is a little hot. I don't understand because it is freezing in the morning. Also, another little update, which I'm very excited about. My iPhone 16 Pro Max just shipped, and it's arriving tomorrow, and I'm so excited. I think that unboxing video is going to be up before this video, and make sure to go watch that video if you're interested. Let's go into Target and see what we can find because I'm very excited, and I hope they have what I'm looking for. Got back in my car from Target, and I did get a lot of stuff that I'm very excited about. The first things I'm going to go through is the things I got yesterday from TJ Maxx because I'm very excited about it. So the first thing, like I said, is this little sweater. I got so many compliments today on this sweater at work. It is so comfortable. One thing I will say is it gets very hot. The next thing I got is this little vest. I saw this and I thought it screamed fall. I'm definitely going to be wearing this a lot, maybe even to like a pumpkin patch or something. I think it's so cute. And last thing I got from TJ Maxx is this little bodysuit. This is from House of Harlow, and I got this because I thought it would be good to wear to the office, and it's very, very soft, which I love. That is everything I got from TJ Maxx. Now we're gonna go on to Target. So for Target, I ended up just getting 2 bags, one for my mom and one for my boyfriend for little boo bags, and I'm going to make the ones for my friends at a later time. So the first thing I got is this cute bag. I'm gonna give this one to my boyfriend because I feel like it just matches his vibe a little bit more. So the first thing I got is actually this tablecloth, and I'm gonna use this for when I paint my pumpkin. Next, I got some tissue paper to make the boo bags. I got this little clip for my mom. She always wears her hair in clips, so I thought this would be good. I got this brown sugar and toasted almond hand lotion. My mom loves cream, so I thought that this would be cute to give her. I got my boyfriend some Nerds. I got some Halloween acrylic paints. This is for painting my pumpkin, obviously. I got this candle. This is a pumpkin bourbon candle, and it has pumpkin puree, harvest apple, and rich peach combined with ingredients of warm bourbon and spiced vanilla cream. And this is a very strong candle. It smells so good. Then I got these marshmallow ghosts for my mom. My grandpa really loved Peeps, and it is going to remind her of him, so I thought it would be a cute little memory because we have a lot of memories about Peeps, so I got her these. Next, I got my boyfriend some candy, so I got Icebreakers gum in the grape flavor and also some of these because he loves them. That was bag number 1. I'm going to put everything back in here. So this is the next little bag I got. I'm very excited about this one as well. So first I got these little puppy treats for my boyfriend's puppies. Then I got some ghost plates. I thought these were so cute and I wanted to get them. Next I got some paint brushes because I obviously need paint brushes to paint my pumpkin. The next thing, which this smells so good, I got my mom a cinnamon scented broom. It is honestly a very strong smell, but it's in the best way possible, and I thought it was really cute because it looks like a little witch's broom. The next thing I got is a clip. This one's actually for me. I've been loving leopard, and I thought this clip was adorable, and it's big, so it'll definitely hold all of my hair. Next, I got my mom some scrunchies, and I got the silk ones because they're better for your hair. My mom loves drinking coffee and tea, so I got her this little mug, and I thought this was so cute, especially because the ghost has a bow on it, and I love bows. Next, I got my boyfriend some pumpkin cheesecake sandwiches because he loves pumpkin and loves cheesecake, so I think he'll like these. And then lastly, I got my boyfriend this pumpkin spice Nespresso containers. He has an espresso, so I thought that he would really like these because he loves the pumpkin drink from Starbucks. That is everything I got for my little boo baskets. I think they're really going to like them. I tried to find fall inspired things, but also things that I know that they really like, so I hope they love them. I'm actually going to go home now and paint my pumpkin. I've been wanting to do this for so long. I've been seeing really cute mini pumpkins on Pinterest. I did this last year and it was so fun, and I'm very excited to do it again. So I have my paints that I got from Target. The pumpkin I got was from Trader Joe's and it's really small, so I think it's going to be perfect. I am going to watch Gilmore Girls while I do it, and I think it's going to be really fun. It's a beautiful day out. I am definitely going to change out of this sweater though and put on something a little bit more cooler and also more comfortable because it's very hot, and then we're going to paint our pumpkin. I think I want to do a ghost or pumpkins or even both. I'm not sure yet. I just finished doing the pumpkin. I ended up painting it pink, and then I did some ghost and I did eyes with a little nose. I think it looks pretty cute. I'm not an artist, so it's not the most artistic, but I do think it looks pretty cute and it was really fun to do, and that's the most important part. It is now the next day. Pumpkin painting actually was so fun. I really enjoyed it and I loved watching Gilmore Girls while I was doing it. I'm back home now and I'm actually waiting for the UPS truck because my phone is coming today. I really hope it comes soon because I want to get my unboxing up as soon as possible. But that's going to be the end of this video. If you are curious about that unboxing, it'll be up before this video is, so definitely go check it out. If you stayed up until this point of the video, comment this emoji down below, and I'll see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye.